these are the texts. Ignore that. So your informations are here. I'm recording, by the way. So that's your electrical conduit, your light emitter, conditioner duct, diffuse, electrical trunking. So the things that I would like now the text is basically following me, so regardless like where I am, the text would be facing me lah, so it's a lot easier to read. My issue is that the text anchor is not exactly correct, so I want to add in like lines to point out the text to where it is actually based on, and I want to put it like, because like right now how it's putting the text is basically one line for the category, so I want to like truncate like material, air conditioning in two lines. It's a lot better and probably make it a lot easier to see, and probably bring in the text lower and just like lines over there, so it's a lot easier to read. And yeah, that's the recording. Lambai. Stop recording. Aku tak nak dengar bila aku suruh macam tu. Contact.